linear equation is a relatively simpler topic. So how do we solve linear equation? Is there are plenty of methods. One, we use substitution, right? So these are called linear equations because when you graph these equations, you'll find that it would give you a straight line. Linear stands for line, right? So when you plot all these points of various x and y, x1, y1, x2, y2, they'll give you a straight line. That's why these are called linear equations. Now, when we talk about solving a linear equation, what we mean is when two equations are given, we basically refer to the point of intersection as solution. So that basically is the solution of a system of two linear equations. So two equations would be given: x1 a1x plus b1y is equal to c1, a2x plus b2y is equal to c2, and the point of intersection basically becomes the solution of system of linear equations. Now the thing is, do we always get solution when we are solving a system of linear equation? The answer is no. We might not always get the solution. As we've described the term solution as the point of intersection of two straight lines, there might be a scenario where there is no point of intersection. And when would that be? That would be when the lines are parallel to each other. Then there wouldn't be any solution. Then a1x plus b1y is equal to c1 and a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. These two linear equations would have no solution. And if I ask you that, would it be when the linear equations or system of linear equations as we call them, so these are system of linear equations and here they have no solution. Now is it always true that when system of linear equations they have a solution, they would always have one solution? Can there be a case where system of equations they have multiple solutions, or simply put, they would have infinite solutions? Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. And that would be when there would be two overlapping lines. Then every point on the first line would be a point on the second line. So they would have infinite points of intersection. We say that in that case, infinite many solutions exist. Okay, so let's look at the various situations. When there is just one solution, then what is the condition? Just one solution is there, or we call it unique solution. Unique is one. In that case, what happens? In that case, these are called coefficients. A1 by A2 would not be equal to B1 by B2. Unique solution in that case, write it down somewhere. We are going to solve questions on these. In that case, A1 by A2 would not be equal to B1 by B2. Okay. In case of infinite solution, everything would be same. In fact, they would be same lines only. That means A1 by A2 would be equal to B1 by B2 would be equal to C1 by C2. In case of infinite solutions. And in case of no solution, since they are parallel lines, their slopes would be equal. That means, y by x would be same, or in fact A1 by A2 would be equal to B1 by B2 since their slopes would be same, but it would not be equal to C1 by C2. C1 by C2 is basically roughly the intercept part, and intercept would be different. They would be spatially arranged on a different space, just that they will be parallel to each other. So in case of no solution, A1 by A2 would be equal to B1 by B2 but would not be equal to C1 by C2. These three conditions you must learn by heart and understand the logic also. Unique solution, A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. Infinite many solution, everything would be same because one line would be virtually another on every single point on one line would be every single point on another line. They would virtually be same. So a1 by a2 would be equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. In case of no solution, a1 by a2 would be equal to b1 by b2 but would not be equal to c1 by c2.